In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Jira. We'll walk through the complete process, ensuring that you understand each step and can quickly get your project up and running. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or something else, and head over to the Jira login page. If you're accessing this for the first time or if you've been recently logged out, make sure you've got your login credentials handy. Now, type in your username and password and then click on that login button. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Jira dashboard, which is essentially the hub for all your project management activities. This is where all the action happens. Now that we're on the dashboard, let's set our sights on creating a new project. If you look towards the top menu, you'll spot a tab labeled Projects. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will greet you, and from there, select the Create Project option. This is where you start defining the structure of your project. Jira will now offer you several project type options to consider. Depending on the scope of your work or what best fits your team's workflow, you can choose from Scrum, Kanban, or Business. If you're delving into software development and need a more structured approach with iterations, Scrum is an excellent choice. However, if your focus is on continuous delivery and managing work in progress with a clear visual guide, Kanban might be right up your alley. Business projects, on the other hand, are typically used for managing tasks beyond the software development realm. Once you've pinpointed your project type, there might be a prompt to select a template. This choice allows you to further refine your project setup to align with your objectives and workflow. Typical template options might include software development and bug tracking, among others. Choose the one that resonates best with your team's goals. With these choices made, it's time to configure the project details. You'll be presented with fields to input a project name. Aim for something concise but descriptive enough for instant recognition. Jira will automatically generate a project key to serve as a unique identifier, especially useful in reports and task IDs. If you feel the urge to make it more specific or memorable, you have the freedom to customize it. Next comes the assignment of a project lead, the person who will oversee the project's progress and team dynamics. Additionally, you have the option to tweak settings like permissions, notifications, and different issue types. Doing this at the outset saves time later and customizes the ecosystem to better fit your team's needs. With all your configurations and settings locked in, it's time to breathe life into your project. Click on the Create button and Jira will spring into action, transporting you directly to your newly minted project's dashboard. Here you can begin adding tasks, setting up boards, and even invite team members to start collaborating. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new project in Jira and are all set to dive into effective task and project management.